Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Charlie. We do have T, she's behind the camera, and we are starting the first leg of our US road trip in Miami. We're in CitizenM Miami South Beach, which actually opened up 2 months ago. So it's all completely brand new, shiny, sparkling. So we're going to show you around, give you a little room tour. I don't even know where to start. But apparently, if you have been to CitizenM before, which I know T has, I think they're very they have a standard, right? They have a theme, and this very much fits that. So when we go around the room, as I understand, as T keeps telling me, this is exactly the setup of most rooms in CitizenM, right? Yes. So let's go. Before we start, show the door. How does it lock? So it's pretty robust. We have this one here, locked up here, locks there, very safe. Nice and early, good start. So you can see it's narrow, it's small. I think that's one of the things with CitizenM. They are very quirky and fun, but the rooms aren't necessarily the biggest. So we don't have too much wardrobe space. This is our wardrobe space. We've just travelled, literally arrived. Gotta say this because we may look a little bit crusty. I'm wearing a tracksuit in Miami, which makes no sense. That's because we've just arrived off a 10-hour flight. We've just got in. We have a lot of luggage. There's not a lot of room for it, but that's where it is. Before I start the bathroom, anyone that's eagle-eyed and might have caught this already, part of the bathroom is actually outside. So T didn't show it, but here you are. The sink's outside. So we start with the sink here. And if you haven't worked that out, that means this bathroom can't be the biggest, but let's have a look. Jump in. It's clean, modern, fresh. Not a lot of room, can barely spin around, just about. But we have the toilet, where everyone does their business, as we know. We have our shower. I mean, that shower looks quite cool. That shower head is pretty big. This looks exciting. I'm looking forward to trying this out. Should I try this out now?
Yes.
Yes? I'm asking T the question because there's a lot of quirky things about this room with lights and things like that, which I know you want to show. But you're going to do that in a bit, right?
Mm-hmm. There's 2 buttons for both.
Right, let's make sure we get this right so that I don't just pour this straight on my leg. Let's give this a go. In true all things TNC style, we're going to try the shower out. Let's give it a go. What's that maybe? Ah, there you go. Not too bad. So as it can turn up. But how? I'm going to look forward to that. I'm going to try not to jump in. I'm going to try and put my hand in now without getting wet. Let's give this a go. That one? It's nice. It's small, but we knew it was small because that's how CitizenM work. But very nice and fresh, clean, modern, and brand new. What more can you want? So moving on. Still getting over the sink in the room, but let's give this a go. Right, what do we have here? Okay. Oh, okay. So if this is actually smeared glass, you wouldn't see much, but you'll be able to make the outline of people. So I guess this is a little bit of privacy. Not a lot of privacy. But you know, there you go. I now can't quite see anyone that might be in there, but you know, separates it off. I've not really seen that in many hotel rooms before. I don't know what to think, but there we go. We have a station there. We have a station here. It's not a station. It's a bench. Let's be honest. It's a bench. You have a bench there. You have a little workstation here, which can get some work done, which is nice. And we have this, which T was telling me all about. Do you want to talk through?
So the iPad controls everything. If I scroll up, tap anywhere to start. So we can change the colour of, it's usually the whole room.
Show us it there and then spin it around. Ah, okay, yeah, it really changes the colour. That looks pretty cool. I like that. Oh, I like turquoise.
Do you know what's better? If we put the light down in here.
Ah, here we go. Now we've got a proper theme going on that. Look at that. That is pretty cool. Turquoise. I do like turquoise. What about purple?
Making our way to
Should we just make some shouts? Red. Where's red? Yeah, there you go. Oh no, we're orange. Red. There we go. Now I'm going to come from this side of the room. If we come back and have a look. And now we do it.
You can actually take this iPad off. So
go on then. Let's give this a go. Spin it around. Change the colour. That is interesting. I think that's quite cool. I don't know what kind of colour you want.
There are other features, of course. The blinds. You got the blackout blinds if you want to lift those up.
Giving it a go?
Well, I don't think the blackout blinds are down. I think it's the curtains.
There we go. As you can tell, we're still working this room out as we're showing you. But here we go. And we're right in South Beach. We're in a pretty good location. So we're going to go out and have a good walk around. If you want to see what we get up to, then there will be a Miami vlog coming out shortly. So keep your eyes out for that as always.
You've also got the controls here.
Yeah.
If you wanted to. And then...
Can we put the brightness back up, please?
Yes, let's do that.
So everyone can see us. We're no longer in a nightclub. I'm back. So the thing about this hotel room is, like we say, it's small. So you've literally got the beds taking up pretty much all the room. It's a huge bed, and I can't wait to jump on it, as always. It's, what, king size? That's at least king size. That's a very big bed. But you've got no walkway, which isn't for everyone. Nice TV there. I think that's going to be really cosy. You've got them cool little things here, right? This is just kind of the theme of the whole hotel. We'll have some shots of the lobby and elsewhere at the end of the video when we pan around the room. And it's just quite quirky and cool. It definitely has a cool vibe. I think when you walk in, you know you're in CitizenM, right? You've been to CitizenM before, I can't even say it. And you just walk in, it just looks cool, quirky. And like I say, if you haven't seen one before, at the end of the video, we'll pan around the hotel, we'll pan around the room, and you'll get to see exactly what we mean. But T wants me to show you
the drawer space.
Yeah. So we do have a little bit more cupboard space. We've managed to throw a few things in there. So
does that one open?
Yeah, I think this does open. You've got that one and you've got this one. Here we go.
Safe.
Here's the safe. So it's a pin code safe. That's actually quite a cool place for the safe, to be honest. And plenty of space in there as well. We always keep a lookout because we bring laptops and everything else, and that's going to fit in nicely. So that's pretty much everything around the room. It's small, but it's very modern, very quirky, very cool. The light change gives it a good vibe, and it's nice. I just like it's clean. I mean, I'm not going to lie. I'm not sure about the sink outside the bathroom, but I'm sure I'll get used to that. And I could do with a little bit more cupboard space. Yeah, this is really nice. Looks nice, smart. Like, it's all clean. It's all just, you know. I like the finish. I just would like it to be that little bit bigger, right? So for me, the one thing I would say about this: great hotel, modern, cool. Love the light changes, but you do need to be aware that the room is smaller than what a standard room would be. I think that's the one sort of trade-off with CitizenM, should we say?
I'll say one other feature, which is quite cool.
I can tell you're going to say something, yeah.
Well, it's not cool. It's actually quite sad for me to say it's cool. But you get to sort out your bin. So you've got recycling and then you've got a normal bin. Most hotels don't do that. So, you know, sustainability, environmentally friendly.
Super cool, apparently. We're going to have so much fun in our Miami vlog. Check it out. There's going to be so much more cool stuff coming just like that. What have we got here? Right, our stuff. Okay, like a little...
Oh, a little fridge.
That's a fridge. That's cool. Sweet. How they've managed to get a fridge in this tiny room, that is very impressive. Give them points for that. Right, last bit. My favourite bit. Where are you going to stand so you can catch me jumping on this?
I think to capture the forum, I have to stay here.
Yeah, I've got very high hopes. The reason I've got very high hopes is if you have such a small hotel room with such a big bed, you're making the bed the statement of the room, and you're really putting everything into how good this bed is. So I'm going for this. One jump. Ready? I've already got anywhere to run, that's the problem. What I'd also love to do, but we're not going to do it, because we're being sensible, we're showing you the room, is I'd change all the lights, make it dark and, like, you know, themed for my jump, but we won't. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow.
That's quite nice and firm, actually.
That is a great bed. I was not disappointed. Great bed. So, in summary, great bed, modern room, cool lights, bit small, but
don't know who that is.
So, hopefully you enjoyed this room tour. If you did, don't forget to check out a lot of our other videos. This is the start of our US road trip. You excited to see?
Yes.
We are going to so many places in the US. We're doing room tours, vlogs, a bit of everything. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep up with all of that. But for now, that's it from us. We will see you in the next one.
Bye.